In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own Trello board template. Having a custom template can be incredibly useful, especially if you frequently set up similar projects and want to skip the repetitive process of creating the same structure over and over again. So, let's dive in and get started. First, the foundational step is to simply create a board you'd like to turn into a template. You might already have a board that you've been using and feel that it has the perfect structure and organization that you want to replicate. In our case, I already have a board set up and ready to transform into a template, so we're ahead of the game. Now, once your board is prepared and you've double-checked that every list, card, and detail is just how you want them, move your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice a small icon containing three dots, commonly referred to as the More Options menu or the Options icon. Go ahead and click on this. After clicking, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with various options. From these, you need to select Make Template. This option does exactly what it says. It converts your board into a template ready for future use. And just like that, your board is now a template. There's no waiting time. It's an instant transformation. With your new template created, you might be wondering how to access it when you're ready to set up a new project using that same structure. To do this, direct your attention to the Create button located at the top of your Trello page. Once you click on it, you'll be given a few options, and you'll want to select Start with a Template. This action will take you to a new screen where all your templates are displayed. Here's where you'll find the template you just created, ready for use whenever you need it. With just a few clicks, you can start a new board using this template, saving you precious time and ensuring consistency across your projects. And there you have it. You've successfully created and learned how to access a Trello board template. This simple yet powerful feature can significantly streamline your workflow, especially if you manage multiple projects or teams and need to maintain a consistent project setup. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps make your project management more efficient. Happy organizing!